Childhood food memories at best. My simple sloppy joy is just that. Like, subscribe, and click the bell. I'm Mika. Ready? Dice half of a large white onion, half large green bell pepper, 1 clove garlic, and about 10 leaves of parsley. In a 12-inch skillet over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon olive oil and the onions. Sauté until translucent and they begin to caramelize. Add the meat, breaking it into small crumbles, and cook until it is brown. If you desire, you can drain the fat now, but since we are 80-20, I leave it for flavor. Add the garlic and the green pepper. Stir and let simmer until the peppers begin to soften. Add the tomato sauce, chili powder, Worcestershire sauce, Tabasco, salt and pepper to taste. Mix this together thoroughly. Bring to a boil, reduce the heat, and let it simmer uncovered for 4 minutes. Add the chopped parsley. Stir and cook 1 minute more. Taste and adjust the salt and pepper as needed. Serve a generous amount of meat on each toasted brioche bun. Top the hot meat with a slice of or grated sharp cheddar cheese. It will melt on the hot meat. My recipe is savory, drawing natural sweetness from the caramelized white onions without brown sugar. Try it soon and please leave me a comment, and thanks for watching my video.